Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Fishing with CJ, man. We got Will out here on caught a nice one.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. On the popper, too.
On the popper.
Yes, sir. Man, put him on the scale, see what he weigh.
Yeah, put him on the scale.
Put him on the scale, see how much. Okay.
My stuff on that guy.
Yes, sir, man. We always out here.
Kilograms.
Yes, sir. There we go. Oh, shoot. Got the scale and everything. There we go. Ooh. Let's go. Nice little 410.
Ooh. Get some water in that cooler, man.
Yes, sir.